how to resize videos in Captions. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm about to show you how you can resize videos on Captions AI app whilst you're editing a certain footage. Now if you've added a B-roll shot, you can basically just select that B-roll shot like this and you can pinch in like this and pinch out to basically resize it. But if it's the main distinct media over here, you can see pinching in and out is actually not working. So what do I do in order to change this main video size? Now for this, while you're editing, from the bottom as usual, you'll find various toolbars. You have to scroll all the way to the right hand side and select this option right here that says scale. So you want to tap on scale. And you can first of all choose the aspect ratio, and you can choose the content fit like fill, fit, or auto. So however you want to basically use it, you can go ahead and select that. And once you're done resizing, of course, now you can finally tap on the apply button. And that way you will easily be able to resize videos in Captions. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.